Hey guys, I'm Dr. Ariel with the Charlotte Athlete, and I'm a pelvic floor specialist. And today I want to teach you guys how to perform a Kegel or strengthening exercise of the pelvic floor. But first I want to make sure that we know what exactly the pelvic floor is, which is why I have this anatomy model with me. Your pelvic floor is a group of muscles, so all these red things that you see are muscles, and they kind of make up the bowl shape at the bottom of your pelvis. They have lots of functions, but some of their main functions are helping to support the organs in your body, so they kind of sit in that bowl. They help with bowel and bladder functions. They help even increase the stability of your core, among other things. But there are three main layers that we want to talk about today. The first is the superficial outer layer. Then there's the deeper layer. And then if we take this off, there's an even deeper layer. And this again makes up the bowl shape of your pelvis. So when you perform a Kegel, you want to think about contracting these muscles all together. So you can think about, again, if it's a bowl shape, you want to think about flattening out that bowl up toward your diaphragm. You can also think about like sucking up a blueberry, but all of these are just contracting those muscles together. Now there are two different types of contractions. There are endurance contractions or there are pure strengthening. So depending on what your symptoms are or what your presentation is like will dictate whether you need endurance versus strength. Endurance would be your sub-maximal contractions that you're holding for a longer duration, and then pure strengthening would be max contractions that you perform multiple reps in a row. So again, depending on what you have going on will dictate what you need, and so if you're unsure, then I would definitely recommend seeing a pelvic floor specialist. You can also head to our website. We'll put the link in the description below and inquire online. We'd be happy to help.